हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, तो आज का हमारा क्वेश्चन है एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 12 टाइम्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 5 एंड हियर वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स प्लस 2 टाइम्स स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ एक्स वेयर एक्स ग्रेटर देन इक्वल्स टू 0। तो देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, इस वाली प्रॉब्लम को हम किस प्रकार से सॉल्व करेंगे। स्टूडेंट्स, हियर फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ एक्स and second we will find out the value of square root of x, then you will find out the value of this expression easily. And here it is given x square minus 12 times square root of x this is equals to 5. Here x square, if this minus 12 times square root of x, if we going in right hand side, then we have 5 plus 12 times square root of x. Now here x square in left hand side and this is equals to 5 plus 12 times square root of x. First we make both side perfect square expression. Look carefully, in left hand side we have x square, so if we add both side 4 times x and add both side 4, then in left hand side we have x square plus 4 times x plus 4. This expression is x square plus and 4 times x. 4 times x is same as 2 times x and 2. 2 times x, that is 2 times x, and 2 times x is 2 multiplied by 2, then we get 4 times x plus 4 is 2 square, and this is equals to this expression 5 plus 4, that is 9. So we have here 9 and here 4 times x plus and here 12 times square root of x. Now in left hand side, if this x is a and this 2 is b, then a square plus 2 times ab plus b square, and we know that a square plus 2 times ab plus b square is a plus b whole square, and that is x plus 2 whole square, and this is equals to this 4 times x is same as 2 times square root of x square plus 12 times square root of x is same as 2 times square root of x, and here 9, so here multiplied by 3 plus 3 square. Look carefully, 2 times square root of x square is 4 times x, 2 times square root of x, that is 4 times square root of x, and 4 times square root of x is multiplied by 3, then we get 12 times square root of x, and 3 square, that is 9. So this expression and this expression is same. In left hand side we have x plus 2 whole square, and this is equals to, if this 2 times square root of x is a and this 3 is b, then a square plus 2 times a b plus b square, that is a plus b whole square, where a is 2 times square root of x and b is 3 square. Now if we take all expression in same side, then you will get x plus 2 whole square minus 2 times square root of x plus 3 whole square, and this is equals to 0. Now students, we know that the algebraic identity a square minus b square, this is equals to a plus b times a minus b. If we apply this rule in left hand side, let suppose this x plus 2 is a and 2 times square root of x plus 3 is b, then a square minus b square, that is a plus b times a minus b, where value of a is x plus 2 plus value of b is 2 times square root of x plus 3 times a, that is x plus 2, and minus b that is 2 times square root of x plus 3. If we multiply by this expression is minus, then we get minus 2 times square root of x minus 3, and this is equals to 0. Now here x plus 2 times square root of x plus 2 plus 3, that is 5, and here x minus 2 times square root of x 2, and this is minus 3, that is minus 1, and this is equals to 0. Students, it is given that x greater than 0, it means x is positive, but here multiplication of two numbers is 0, it means either this number is 0, either this number is 0. But this expression is cannot be 0. This expression is always greater than 0 because students x is positive and sum of positive numbers is cannot be 0. This number is positive, this number is positive, and 5 is also positive. So this expression is cannot be 0. And multiplication of two number is 0 and this expression is not 0. So x minus 2 times square root of x minus 1, this is equals to 0. Now here x minus 2 times square root of x, this is equals to 1. If we add both side 1 and look carefully this expression, this is perfect square expression. This x is same as square root of x square minus 2 times square root of x, and if multiplied by 1 here, then expression is not changed, and plus this 1 is same as 1 square, and this is equals to 1 plus 1, that is 2 in right hand side. Let's suppose this square root of x is a and this one is b, and this square root of x is a and this one is b. Then a square minus 2 times ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square, where value of a is square root of x minus value of b is 1 square, and this is equals to 2. Here square root of x minus 1, this is equals to square root of 2, and value of square root of x, this is equals to square root of 2 plus 1. So here value of square root of x is equals to square root of 2 plus 1. Now if we take square both sides, then in left hand side we have square root of x square, this is equals to square root of 2 plus 1 whole square, and we know that this square is cancelled out by this square root, then we get x, this is equals to, and in right hand side we will apply this algebraic identity a plus b whole square, and we know that a plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2 times ab. If we apply this identity in right hand side, then we have square root of 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 times a, that is square root of 2, and b, that is 1. Then value of x is this square and this square root is cancelled out, then here 2 plus 1 square, that is 1 plus 2 times square root of 2. Then value of x is 3 plus 2 times square root of 2. So here value of x is, value of x is 3 plus 2 times square root of 2. Now we know that we will find out the value of this expression, that is x plus 2 times square root of 2. X plus 2 times square root of 2. Here value of x is this 3 plus 2 times square root of 2 plus 2, and this square root of x is equals to square root of 2 plus 1, square root of 2 plus 1. Then here 3 plus 2 times square root of 2 plus this 2 is multiplied by square root of 2, then we get 2 times square root of 2, and this 2 is multiplied by 1, then we get 2. 3 plus 2, that is 5, plus 2 times square root of 2 plus 2 times square root of 2, that is 4 times square root of 2. So students, this is our final answer. I hope you enjoy this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.